As you can see, I finally got this memo jumbo put together. Check it out now. Alright, I finally got the carburetor hat hooked to the turbo. But one problem that I have, I don't know if you can see that, but that wire got smoke coming out of it. And that ain't good. The first one I burned, I wrapped it up. But it looked like this one might be burned too, but I gotta wait to check it because the car is hot. So if I keep burning wires, that means I'm gonna keep having a misfire. And that's not good. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do about that spark plug, because it's too close to the header. And yeah. But it's put together though. Got this thing, got that spooler on there, that Chinese snail. Just how I spent my vacation. Tinkering. Trying to go fast. I still can't get on it like I want to, because it run lean under boost. And that's no bueno. That's like start blowing stuff up running lean under boost. So take these bowls off, change the jets on the inside. I might do front and back. They say start with the front, but I might just do both a little bit and see where it goes. But it's time to tune on it now. Still got my nitrous unit on it, but I don't use that. I put my gauges in here. Got my airflow ratio, my boost gauge, because you know you need that if you go be boosting. But yeah, man, this my hoopty right here. I had this bad boy almost 20 years. Decided to put a turbo on it. Got tired of squeezing nitrous. Try something different.